channel. I hope everyone is doing good, and I know I have not been consistent, so I'm gonna manage my schedule according to the job timings and everything, and I'm gonna shoot videos again. So today's video is going to be a review video of the brand Myoho. So there's this page on Instagram, Pure by Priyanka, which I came across recently, and she sells homemade skincare products. Lately I have been attracted toward herbal products more, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the 6 products she had sent me. Sorry for the condition of the packaging. I have been using them a lot, and it's been quite a month or two that I have used them, and it has worked like magic on my skin. Before sending them to me, she had first asked me about my skin condition and about my skin type and everything. Then she had sent me those accordingly. So the first product I would like to introduce is the Pure by Priyanka Myoho Aloe Vera and Cucumber Face Wash, and it says it deeply cleanses and decongest combination to oily skin types. So this has to be my favorite face wash, and it's a gel type face wash. It has actually cleared my skin a lot. I know face wash doesn't play a vital role in skincare because it just cleanses your face. Some face washes tend to strip off your extra skin layer, and this face wash doesn't do that at all. So I'm going to read the ingredients in it. It has cucumber extract, aloe vera extract, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, and apricot kernel oil. It retails for 650 rupees. You can check their page on Instagram. It's Pure by Priyanka, and you can directly message her on Instagram, or there is this WhatsApp number, you can text them. So talking about the face wash, the fragrance is amazing. It's really very mild. It smells like cucumber and aloe vera indeed, and I just like that you need a pea size amount for your whole face and you're good to go. After washing your face with this face wash, your skin will not really feel dry, and of course it will remove all your dirt and excess oil which you have on your skin. For the combination skin type people, their T-zone is almost very oily every time, and our cheeks, like, they are very dry. So this is the best face wash I would recommend, and also I've finished it a lot, you can see. And the next product from the same brand, it's the green toner, which is oil control toner. It has calamine, cucumber, and witch hazel. It does contain rose distilled water, tea tree oil, basil, lemon peel, and aloe vera in it. And this has to be one of my favorite toner I have used ever. If you spray this like 2-3 pumps on your face, you're gonna feel that coolness and the calmness and the freshness as well on your skin. It does reduces the size of your pores, and it is priced for 620 rupees. I had also used this as ice cubes. I've mixed them with water, and I've used that. It does work for your acne and pimples. If you have pimples, you can use those eyes and the swelling will be gone a lot. So the next product from the same brand, Myoho, it's acne cleanser. Cleanses pores and clear blemishes for sensitive skin. And this cleanser is the first cleanser I have ever used, and this is the best cleanser, I can tell you. It smells like cloves. I don't know why, but it smells like cloves. It has tea tree oil, papaya fruit, sandalwood, cucumber extract. You just need to use this on the face after the face wash. You'll have to massage on your skin very nicely for 2 to 3 minutes, and then wash it off with the water, or just wipe it off with a cotton cloth. So the next 2 products are this gel, which I was really very excited to try on me. I never tried gel on my face, and one is this Kesar Haldi gel, and this is the rose gel. This is how it looks. It does get absorbed very quickly on the skin. I use this after the toner. In the morning I use this Kesar Haldi gel, and in the night I use rose gel. The Kesar Haldi gel actually smells like kesar and haldi, I tell you. This is the very awesome gel, and it gives a very nice glow on your skin. You can also use this gel like a gel mask. You can keep this on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, massage it all over, and then you can wash your face off. But I like to keep this on my face. I just take a pea size amount, and I just massage, and it get absorbs very quickly. I really like the quantity for every product. The face wash and the toner can last up to 3 to 4 months, and the gel would last up to 5 to 6 months. The rose gel has to be my favorite if I had to choose one from the Kesar Haldi gel and this one. So it smells really like roses. It is like this, and even for this as well, I just take a pea size amount on my face after my toner, and I apply all over my face. I massage it and I top it off with the moisturizer. So the last product and the last step of my skincare routine from Yoho, it's this acne cream, which is meant to be for prone skin, acne prone skin and breakouts. And it contains tea tree oil again, kalonji oil, witch hazel, neem oil and cream base. It has to be a little bit oily and sticky for the combination skin type people or the oily skin type people, because it takes time to absorb in the skin very properly, and it has a cream base and it has some oils in it. That's the reason it would feel oily and sticky, but you don't need to worry, it won't clog your pores at all. You just need a little bit amount of it and you are good to go. I would really like to share my experience with you all. I am really very happy by using these products. I had used biotic products before this one and my skin was damaged a lot, and also I was having so many pimples on my skin. You would have seen that video where I used ice for my skin in 7 days and the pimples were vanished. Of course I had used this toner for that ice, and also after that I was using all these products continuously and consistently to see the results, and that worked amazingly on my skin. That did wonders to my skin. I would really like to thank Pure by Priyanka and their team to make these awesome products, and which is very suitable for my skin type. Also I would like to recommend this all products for oily skin people and combination skin type people. There are products for dry skin and normal skin as well on their page. Please check out their page on Instagram. I will link down their page name and everything in the description box below. So this video ends right here, and I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the review. Thank you. Bye.